Mountains, the water towers of our world. For centuries, these glaciers and snow have fed rivers that sustain billions of living beings. Nepal is home to 8 of the tallest mountains in the world, including Sagarmatha, our Everest. These peaks form the heart of the Hindu Kush Himalaya, the third pole. This region is home to 270 million who are dependent on water from these mountains. But this lifeline is breaking. Hindu Kush Himalaya glaciers disappeared 65% faster compared with the previous decade. By 2050, it is expected that we will hit peak water, following which our river flow will begin to decline. For the 1.65 billion people downstream, this isn't a distant threat. It is already here. The transformation is happening at a rapid pace and scale. Glaciers vanishing before our eyes, devastating floods, decline in crop productivity, families displaced, hazardous levels of air pollution. Just in Nepal, in 2024, 250 lives were lost to floods triggered by torrential rains in Kathmandu. A glacial lake outburst flood in Thame erased an entire village. These disasters are not natural. They are climate-driven, and the science is clear. Even at 1.5 degrees Celsius warming, which is too hot for our region, we'll lose 1/3 of glaciers by 2100.
Nepal is on the front lines of the climate crisis. This is climate injustice, unequal and loaded against countries like ours, which have non-significant contributions to global emissions. But our commitment to fighting the climate crisis is unwavering. Nepal has preserved 45% forest cover. 24% of our land is under protected areas, and much of our farming is by default nature-based. Our glacier and snow-fed rivers provide vital ecosystem services to millions downstream. Yet, we are among the hardest hit by climate change.
Let's reshape policies, and not just with urgency, but with equity, compassion, and long-term vision.
हामी स्पष्ट छौं, हिमाल केवल हाम्रो सम्पत्ति मात्र होइन, यो विश्वको जीवन रेखा पनि हो। यिनको रक्षा गर्नु हाम्रो प्राथमिकता हो र रहेको पनि छ।
Glacier melt is accelerating, triggering cascading impacts downstream. Our springs are drying. The climate crisis knows no borders. Its effects are already being felt far beyond the mountains. That's why Sagarmatha Samvad is not just a summit, but a call from the Himalaya to the world. We urge global leaders, scientists, and frontline communities to join hands to demand adaptation and loss and damage financing for the most impacted, like us, and to accelerate the phase-out of fossil fuels in favor of clean, renewable energy. Regional and global cooperation is not a choice, it is a necessity. Climate justice is non-negotiable, and we must act together before it is too late.